ganda ng ating community. This is the Anyana Bel Air Central. Alright, ganito kaganda ang ating community right now. Wow, may dumadaan. At meron tayong ready for occupancy dito po sa ating project Anyana. Alright. So this is Anyana, we have lot only and house and lot packages available sa Pag-ibig and bank financing. Alright guys. Pag bank financing, so we will do the process. Kapag Pag-ibig financing, no, self-filing. Alright, ang ganito na kaganda ngayon ng Anyana, ang dami ng bahay dito. Malalaki ang mga bahay dito guys, at ang lapad ng kalsada. This is a master plan community dito po sa Tanso, Cavite. So a high-end community na may magandang facilities and amenities. Alright. Shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga buyers out there na lagi nanonood ng ating YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And ito na yung bahay ni Sir Gab, no? Pupuntahan natin yung house ni Sir Gab. Alright. At may nakita akong bahay na hanggang 3rd floor. Pwede hanggang 3rd floor. Right. Okay, wow. Ang ganda ng community, oh. Nice community. Look at the facade. Look at the houses. Alright. Ito yung bahay ni Mr. Gab. Look at that. Ang ganda, oh. Look. Ganda, diba? Alright. And may mga ongoing construction right now. Tulad dito. This is the California Model House. At may mga gumagawa ngayon. Ayun, ayun, look. Ayan, tingnan mo sila. Ayan. Alright. Diba? Grabe. Ang ganda ng bahay. No? So, may mga available at pa tayo, no? Medyo konti na lang ang available natin dito, no? Sa Anyana. At mag-i-enjoy kayo dito sa Anyana Adult Tanso, guys. Right? So, if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. My name is Ray, a real estate broker and a appraiser here in the Philippines. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Nice, oh. Look, oh. Wow, diba? Perfect. Ang ganda, oh. So yeah, nice house. Alright. Okay. Nice house, nice community. And ito, oh, Paris model, oh. Look at the Paris model. Ang ganda, oh. Wow. Perfect. Sobrang nice. Look at that. Alright. Alright, so once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much, guys. And God bless everyone. Ayan, oh. May dual camera tayo ngayon. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman yung aking likod. All by myself. Alright, isa lang po ako. Pero yung team natin nandito po sa Anyana Adult Tanso. Kaya ito kaganda ang ating community. Alright. Shout out po sa inyong lahat, no, nanonood ng ating YouTube channel. God bless everyone.